Hello everybody, Farmer Allison here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a cooking activity, and we're going to be cooking something using information that we learned in a previous lesson. Last time we were together, we learned a new word, and that word is emulsion. What does the word emulsion mean? So emulsion can be a big word, but when you break it down, what it means is the mixing together of two liquids that would normally not stick together and getting them to stick together. So today we are going to be doing a cooking activity with two liquids that don't stick together, and we are going to make them stick together by creating an emulsion. Supplies. You will need a glass jar or cup, a measuring cup, a spoon, a cutting board, a knife, half a teaspoon, and a tablespoon. For ingredients, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of brown mustard, salt and pepper. Now that we've gathered some simple ingredients from our kitchen, we are going to start first with the two liquids in the salad dressing that do not mix together. And we're going to figure out what we can add to our salad dressing to get those two liquids to stick together. Today, we're going to be using lemon juice and oil because those two do not mix together. Start first with your lemon, cut it in half, and then squeeze all of the juice into a measuring cup. Now that all of your lemon juice is squeezed, you are going to take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and put it into your jar. Next, you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Notice how the oil separates to the top and the lemon juice sinks to the bottom. Salad dressing, we are going to add half a teaspoon of mayonnaise and half a teaspoon of mustard to help our two liquids stick together or become an emulsion. So here's half a teaspoon of mayonnaise and half a teaspoon of mustard. For a little spice, we're going to add a tiny bit of salt and a tiny bit of black pepper. Now with your spoon, go ahead and mix up your salad dressing. Take a look at how the dressing is not separating. Let's make a salad to go with our salad dressing. So for building a salad, you are going to need a bag of lettuce, a bag of shaved carrots, cherry tomatoes cut in half, a yellow bell pepper sliced, cucumber peeled and cut, and sunflower seeds that are shelled. With all of our colorful ingredients and our clean hands, let's build our salad. So let's start first with the carrots. Go ahead and sprinkle some of the carrots, the shredded carrots, into your salad. Next, let's add some of our yellow bell peppers and some of our green cucumbers, our cut up cherry tomatoes, and lastly, a little sprinkle of sunflower seeds. Now that we have our colorful salad, go ahead and add the last ingredient, which is your salad dressing. Excellent work today making a tasty emulsion. Salad dressing is very simple to make, so I encourage you to experiment with adding different spices or different seasonings to your own personal salad dressing, and you can also add whatever you want to your salad as well. So please enjoy your salad and your salad dressing, and I will see you next time.